Have you ever found a shiny stone and wondered if it could be a real rough diamond? Many people discover unusual rocks in rivers, mountains, or old mining areas and dream of finding a valuable gemstone. While professional testing is always the most accurate method, there are several simple home tests that can help you identify whether your rough stone might be a real diamond or just a common mineral. In this guide, you'll learn easy and safe ways to test rough diamonds at home using everyday items. 1. The fog test. One of the fastest ways to test a rough diamond is the fog test. How to do it? Hold the stone close to your mouth. Breathe on it like you would fog a mirror. Results. A real diamond clears up almost instantly because it does not retain heat. Fake stones usually stay foggy for 2 to 4 seconds. This happens because diamonds conduct heat extremely well. #2. The water test diamonds are very dense stones. Steps. Fill a glass with water. Drop the rough stone into the glass carefully. Results. Real diamonds usually sink quickly to the bottom. Some fake stones may float or sink slowly. This test alone is not enough, but it helps eliminate lightweight materials like glass or plastic. 3. The scratch test diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. Try this carefully. Use the stone to scratch glass or ceramic. Results. A real rough diamond can scratch glass easily. Fake stones may leave weak marks or no mark at all. Be careful not to damage valuable surfaces. And 4. Check the shine and crystal shape. Rough diamonds do not usually look like polished jewelry diamonds. What to look for? Oily or waxy shine, natural crystal shapes, rounded edges or triangular patterns, strong sparkle under sunlight. Fake stones often look too smooth or too glassy. #5. UV light test. Some diamonds glow under ultraviolet light. Steps. Place the stone under a UV flashlight. Results. Many real diamonds glow blue. Some may not glow at all. Fake stones can glow different colors. This test works best when combined with others. 6. Heat resistance test. Diamonds resist heat better than many fake stones. Simple method. Heat the stone carefully for a few seconds. Drop it into cold water. Results. Fake glass stones may crack. Real diamonds usually remain unchanged. Use caution and safety glasses. Final thoughts. Testing rough diamonds at home can be exciting, but no home test is 100% accurate. Stones like quartz, moissanite, and cubic zirconia can sometimes look similar to diamonds. If your stone passes several tests, the best next step is to visit a professional gemologist for confirmation. You might be holding an ordinary rock or a hidden treasure worth thousands of dollars.